Alright, so let's just quickly walk around this beautiful Porsche Panamera with the two-tone Mansory orange and white interior. As you can see, it's done in a metallic brown color which catches almost orange shades on the light. Looks absolutely stunning, and all the wall hood and all of the vents and details, bumpers and side skirts, are actually carbon fiber with different pattern again. And one more cool thing about the car are the wheels that are actually gloss black and orange with orange calipers, and I have to say they look absolutely incredible. I love these vents right here, and of course Mansory diffuser with matte black Mansory exhaust.